Here we have 10 very common regular verbs in Spanish. They're all AR verbs. Today, I'm going to show you how you can conjugate them in the command form, in the imperative form, for recommendations, not so much for orders. Let's get started. First, if you notice, they are all AR verbs, so it's very simple. What you need to do in order to conjugate them in the to form, you just need to drop the R. So, escuchar is going to be escucha. Remember that escuchar is listen, to listen. Here, we're saying listen. Spanish is a very informal language, so no one will ever get angry at you if you use the imperative form, or if you use the form of to, not usted. Remember, intonation is going to be very important, and context. You could say, escucha la canción, listen to the song. Escucha a tus padres, listen to your parents. So it's very common. The next one, esperar. Remember that esperar is to wait. So you drop the R and you say, espera. Espera is hang on, hold on, wait. You could say, espera el bus, wait for the bus. Espera a tus amigos, wait for your friends. We don't need to use the preposition por or para. You say espera. Let's continue with the next one. Ayudar, to help. Drop the R. Ayuda. Help. Ayuda a tu familia. Help your family. Let's continue. Llamar, to call. Drop the R. Llama. How would you say call the police? That's right. Llama a la policía. Enviar, to send. Drop the R. Envía. Envía. Envía el documento. Send the document. Envía la foto. Send the picture. Envía el mensaje. Send the message. Envía. Mirar, to look. Just drop the R and then you say mira. Mira el paisaje. Check out the landscape. Comprar, to buy. Just drop in the R. Compra. Compra los zapatos. Buy the shoes. Compra el carro. Buy the car. Pagar. Drop in the R. Paga. Paga la cuenta. Pay the bill. Paga los impuestos. Pay the taxes. Invitar. Drop in the R. Invita. Invita a tus amigos. Invite your friends. Invita a tu familia. Invite your family. Intentar, to try. Drop in the R. Intenta. Intenta aprender español. Try to learn Spanish. So let's say that you want to be more formal. Instead of saying escucha, you could say puedes. Puedes escuchar. Can you listen? Puedes esperar. Can you wait? Puedes ayudar. Can you help? Puedes llamar. Can you call? Puedes enviar. Can you send? Puedes mirar. Can you look? Or can you check out? Puedes comprar. Can you buy? Puedes pagar. Can you pay? Puedes invitar. Can you invite? Puedes intentar. Can you try? That would make it very formal and it would sound really nice. Now let's move a step forward, adding direct or indirect object pronouns. For example, you could say, escúchame. And then you add an accent here. Escúchame, listen to me. Espérame. Wait for me. Ayúdame. Help me. Llámame. Call me. If you are in a bar, you meet somebody in Colombia, in Latin America, you say, oh, llámame, este es mi número, this is my number, llámame, call me. Envíame. Send me. Envíame los documentos. Envíame la foto. Send me the picture, send me the documents. Mírame. Look at me. Cómprame. Buy me, like buy me something, not buy me literally, but buy me something. Cómprame los zapatos, buy me the shoes. Cómprame las vacaciones, buy me the vacation. Cómprame. Págame. Pay me. If somebody owes you money, you can say, hey, pay me, págame. Invítame. Invite me. Invítame. With the verb intentar, we wouldn't say inténtame, we would say inténtalo. Try it. Like try doing something. I hope you found this information useful. Comment if you want me to do the second part with the verbs ending in ER and IR, and another part with the irregular verbs.